You see a hot girl in the gym and you're like, damn, that girl cute. You want to approach her? Instead, you fidget around and go to the heaviest weight you can find and try to curl it. You end up embarrassing yourself and everyone starts laughing. That's not what you want to do when you approach a girl. Since I'm godly energy and we don't do bullshit intros where I ask you to buy my course, we're gonna go straight to the point. Also, don't expect this to be the same advice as those stupid pickup artists will give you. Those just don't work if you want her as a long-term partner. The first thing you want to do when approaching a girl is to just do it. Think of it this way. A girl you see at the gym or a grocery store could possibly be your waifu or your dream girl. It could possibly even be your soulmate. If you don't talk to her right now, you could lose the chance of a lifetime. So you walk up to her. There are three types of guys in this situation. The first type of guy is a guy who says this really good line they learned from these pickup artists, but they act all fidgety and can't look her in the eye. The second guy introduces himself in a fun way and calls her cute. The third guy is the one who's like, what's up baby girl, you looking kinda hot. Ah ha ha. Now which one do you think would get the girl? The second guy who introduces himself in a fun way. The major key that all these pickup artists are not teaching you is the vibe. The vibe is everything. A person wants to be with someone who has a good vibe. It doesn't matter what you say. Well, it does matter because you don't want to be creepy, but girls only care about your vibe and how they feel around you. You want to be fun, open when meeting a girl. Don't be fidgety and look up like you're some boring person. Girls don't want a guy who's boring. Don't be that third guy who comes off too strong. When you're too flirty, it just seems creepy. Never be too flirty when you meet a girl for the first time. I was an F-boy in my old days and I basically called every girl I meet, baby girl, what's up? It worked and got their attention, but they were too afraid of meeting me because I came off too strong and made me seem like a creep. You have to be neutral and have a fun vibe in order to approach a girl. If a girl rejects you, it's no big deal. Just move on like it never happened. There are plenty of fishes in the sea. Okay, I assume that you've gotten her number or socials by now. What's next? You text her an hour later or possibly 6 hours later. You want to keep the momentum going. You don't want to wait 6 days before texting her because she's going to forget all about you. The momentum is everything in a relationship, so do not mess up. And make sure to subscribe to Godly Energy as I will help your life out and make you a better person.